So we have a situation where the most we have is she was present at the scene. Judge, there's not a lot of case law regarding jury instructions, but I would cite Titus versus State, a September 18th, 2013 case.
And so, to be clear, as sometimes happens, the Tampa Bay Times writer will
at all, so
Right.
I don't know if we're getting to those assertions.
Because that the defense, or rather the state's theory, would preclude the need for the instruction, for example, on independent act,